Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of electric stoves, specifically focusing on baking aficionados. If you're in search of the perfect companion for your baking adventures, look no further than the Cusimax 1800W Dual Infrared Cooktop. Imagine a world where your baking endeavors are met with precision, efficiency, and ease. That's exactly what the Cusimax Dual Infrared Cooktop brings to the table. As we delve into its features, you'll discover why it's hailed as the best electric stove for baking. Let's start with the heart of this appliance, its dual infrared heating technology. With two powerful 900W heating elements, this cooktop ensures uniform heat distribution, essential for achieving perfectly baked goods every time. Say goodbye to unevenly baked cakes or cookies with burnt bottoms and undercooked centers. Precision is the name of the game when it comes to baking, and the Cusimax cooktop delivers just that. Its wheel-shaped adjustable temperature control knob allows you to fine-tune the heat according to your recipe's requirements. Whether you're baking delicate pastries or hearty bread, you'll have full control over the baking process. Safety is paramount, especially in the kitchen. That's why Cusimax prioritizes features like overheat protection and an automatic safety shutoff function. Plus, its stainless steel body and concealed handle not only add durability but also make it easy to move around your kitchen. But wait, there's more. The Cusimax Dual Infrared Cooktop isn't just for baking. Its versatility knows no bounds, making it perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks. From simmering sauces to sautéing vegetables, you'll find yourself reaching for this appliance time and time again. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best electric stove for baking, look no further than the Cusimax 1800W Dual Infrared Cooktop. With its superior heating technology, precise temperature control, and unmatched versatility, it's a must-have addition to any baker's arsenal. Say hello to perfectly baked creations and elevate your baking game with Cusimax.